Hi everyone, today we'll be talking about subcisions and what is it, what it can do for you, and should you have it done. So subcision refers to a procedure that's done in the clinic where we take a needle or some other instrument and we go under a scar or even some wrinkles to release the scar from any fibrous bands that's pulling it down. So quite often when we have some form of acne scarring or atrophic scarring where there's a dent in the skin, it is caused by something pulling the dent down, pulling the skin down, and we can take a instrument to cut that little bit of fiber pulling it down and allowing it to be released. At the same time, because of the little bit of irritation caused by the instrument going under there, we also stimulate some new collagen growth, and little bits of feeding in that area can also help to stimulate sort of new regeneration in the area to lift up the skin. So actually, quite often subcisions can be done on multiple types of scar, but commonly we use it for box scar and rolling scars. Subcision in general, even after one session, quite often we can see already some improvement, because once the fibrous tissue is cut, you quite often see a release and you will see a improvement in the scarring. But of course, sometimes the dent is not just because of a fiber pulling it down, but because of damage to the underlying collagen and structure of the skin. So in which case, multiple sessions may be needed to see even more improvements. So broadly speaking, even after one session, we can see some improvement, but generally people will do multiple sessions that can range from around 3 to 6 sessions, depending on each individual. One of the great things about subcision is that downtime often is minimal. We can have tiny little needle marks where the needle has gone in to break the fibrous tissue. There might be some small bruising if you happen to hit a little vessel while we are performing the procedure. So quite often downtime is minimal, maybe a day up to 3 days. In general, subcision is an extremely safe procedure. Most people undergo it and they recover in a day or two without any issues. Every time we pierce the skin, there's a small chance of bruising, bleeding, and infection. And in subcision's case, sometimes there are nearby structures that might be injured and that might cause other issues. These are extremely uncommon. Most commonly, people have very little to no downtime. They are able to recover quite quickly. Okay, so if you've been wondering if subcision is something that might benefit you, come on down and let us have a look at your condition. It can help you decide whether or not subcision is suitable for you, or perhaps some other kind of treatment for the condition that you have might be a suitable option.